Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Huawei Nova Y61. So first let's try the app gallery. Right here, go for the Fortnite. And here there's no Fortnite, but we can download the Epic Games launcher. So let's do that, as this launcher includes the Fortnite, but we're gonna check if the Fortnite is playable on this device. So let's open it. We can update the launcher. Now right here there's a Fortnite, but sadly this device is not supported, and that means you can't play Fortnite on Huawei Nova Y61. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.